This is part 10 and the last part of our review of the Tagalog case markers. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back! Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. In this video, we are completing our review of the Tagalog case markers, which I hope has been extensive but concise enough for you to start using them to form meaningful Tagalog sentences. If you have missed our earlier videos in this series, do check them out so that this current video will make sense to you. Do check them out. The links are in the description box down below. We have been learning that Tagalog case markers are devices to help a noun stand because in Tagalog, nouns cannot stand alone and help announce what those nouns are all about. We have learned that the three main types of case markers are the direct marker, the indirect marker, and the oblique marker. All three are used in conjunction with common and proper nouns in the singular and plural forms. In this video, we will end our review by talking a little bit more about the oblique marker KAY and its plural counterpart, KINA, which we started talking about in the last video. Before we begin, please be sure that you are subscribed if you're still not by simply hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Alright? So far, we have learned that KAY and KINA are locative markers and are the counterparts of sa and sa mga for common nouns. There's a few more things I need to cover for you to know more about KAY and KINA. And the best way to do that is to compare them with their counterparts sa and sa mga. Let's take a look at these comparisons. Para sa bata, for the child. Para sa lalaki, for the man. Para sa babae, for the lady. Para sa mga bata, for the children. Sa and sa mga are oblique markers for common nouns or nouns that are not names of people. Let's take a look at KAY. Para kay Anton, for Anton. Para kay Peter, for Peter. Para kay Marie, for Marie. Para kina Anton at Andrea, for Anton and Andrea. It's very clear from these sample phrases that KAY and KINA are used for proper nouns or nouns that have names. Let's complete these phrases. Ito ay para sa bata. This is for the child. Iyan ay para sa lalaki. That is for the man. Iyun ay para sa babae. That over there is for the lady. Iyun ay para sa mga bata. That over there is for the children. Ito ay para kay Anton. This is for Anton. Iyan ay para kay Peter. That is for Peter. Iyun ay para kay Marie. That over there is for Marie. Iyon ay para kina Anton at Andrea. That over there is for Anton and Andrea. Ayos ba? Hindi naman mahirap, di ba? The use of KAY and KINA are quite clear from our examples. Now, let's try some more complete sentences using the Verb-Subject-Object+Location Pattern which we have learned in our recent videos. Nagbigay ang babae ng tinapay kay Anton. The lady gave a bread to Anton. Nagbigay si Marie ng tinapay kay Anton. Marie gave a bread to Anton. Binigay ng babae ang tinapay kay Anton. The lady gave the bread to Anton. Binigay ni Marie ang tinapay kay Anton. Marie gave the bread to Anton. Remember, this pattern works best with mag verbs, which are actor-focused verbs, and E verbs, which are object-focused verbs. If you wish to review that, please check out episode 117. Alright? So, moving on. Humiram ang babae ng pera kay Peter. The lady borrowed money from Peter. Humiram si Ariana ng pera kay Peter. Ariana borrowed money from Peter. Hiniram ng babae ang pera kay Peter. The lady borrowed the money from Peter. Hiniram ni Ariana ang pera kay Peter. Ariana borrowed the money from Peter. Nagbenta ang babae ng alahas kay Anna. The lady sold jewelry to Anna. Nagbenta si Tess ng alahas kay Anna. Tess sold jewelry to Anna. Binenta ng babae ang alahas kay Anna. The lady sold the jewelry to Anna. Binenta ni Tess ang alahas kay Anna. Tess sold the jewelry to Anna. Nagsabi ang bata ng sekreto kay Edwin. The child told a secret to Edwin. Nagsabi si Anton ng sekreto kay Edwin. Anton told a secret to Edwin. Sinabi ng bata ang sekreto kay Edwin. The child told the secret to Edwin. Sinabi ni Anton ang sekreto kay Edwin. Anton told the secret to Edwin. Alright, so far so good. Now, let's try using the oblique marker KINA for plural locations. Mag-aabot ang kaibigan ng tulong kina Jessica at Rona. The friend will extend help to Jessica and Rona. Mag-aabot si Anna ng tulong kina Jessica at Rona. Anna will extend help to Jessica and Rona. Iaabot ng kaibigan ang tulong kina Jessica at Rona. The friend will extend the help to Jessica and Rona. Iaabot ni Anna ang tulong kina Jessica at Rona. Anna will extend the help to Jessica and Rona. Kukuha ang estudyante ng libro kina Anton at Carlo. The student will get a book from Anton and Carlo. Kukuha si Edwin ng libro kina Anton at Carlo. Edwin will get a book from Anton and Carlo. Kukunin ng estudyante ang libro kina Anton at Carlo. The student will get the book from Anton and Carlo. Kukunin ni Edwin ang libro kina Anton at Carlo. Edwin will get the book from Anton and Carlo. Magdadala ang mga bumiyahe ng mga pasalubong kina Erica at Andrea. The travelers will bring the souvenirs to Erica and Andrea. Bumiyahe literally means he or she who traveled. Traveler is a loose translation in this example. Pasalubong, on the other hand, are those little gifts, souvenirs, food, or any memorabilia bought from one's travel intended to be given to family or friends back home. It's a cultural thing. The English word souvenir is a loose translation that doesn't really capture the cultural nuance, but we'll use it anyway. Moving on. Magdadala sina Tess at Christina ng mga pasalubong kina Erica at Andrea. Tess and Christina will bring the souvenirs to Erica and Andrea. Dadalhin ng mga bumiyahe ang mga pasalubong kina Erica at Andrea. The travelers will bring the souvenirs to Erica and Andrea. Dadalhin nina Tess at Christina ang mga pasalubong kina Erica at Andrea. Tess and Christina will bring the souvenirs to Erica and Andrea. Magbibigay ang mga bisita ng mga regalo kina Marie at Ariana. The visitors will give gifts to Marie and Ariana. Magbibigay sina Peter at June ng mga regalo kina Marie at Ariana. Peter and June will give gifts to Marie and Ariana. Ibibigay ng mga bisita ang mga regalo kina Marie at Ariana. The visitors will give the gifts to Marie and Ariana. Ibibigay nina Peter at June ang mga regalo kina Marie at Ariana. Peter and June will give the gifts to Marie and Ariana. There you have it. We have just completed our review of the Tagalog case markers. If you have seen all 10 episodes, including this one, then congratulations. If you like this video, please share some love by hitting the like button because that will help this channel a lot. From here on, we will be covering more Tagalog sentence patterns that will combine all the things that we have learned so far from the very beginning of this channel, including verbs, pronouns, adjectives, and we will be combining them with Tagalog markers. I hope you will join me in my next videos. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.